Hi, my name is Jim and I was retired. 5 years ago, I didn't get to decide when to begin my retirement. But in this short video, I'm going to talk about 3 topics that I can decide. I will begin with my standard word of caution. I am not a financial professional. I have no initials after my name. So take this as entertaining ideas from one educated consumer to another. Always do your own due diligence and seek out a professional when you need to. As I mentioned in an earlier video, there are 3 kinds of retirees, and the forced early retirees like me all share one thing in common. We didn't get to decide when our retirement would begin. In this brief video, I'm going to talk about 3 topics that I can decide about in my forced early retirement. And the first one is health. Now, as I mentioned in an earlier video, more than half of all those that retired last year did so before they thought they were going to retire. And about a third of them did it for health reasons. And if that's you, then please take time to focus on your health. That's the thing that matters the most. Be a patient. You have time to focus on your health. And if, like me, you entered early retirement because of a job loss, then focus on your health too. After about 75,000 hours behind a desk in my career, I decided I'm going to get outside more often and take walks. Do so. Focus on your health. I've managed to reduce my high blood pressure and cholesterol, and I'm working on my stress. So you focus on your health too. The second topic that I'm deciding about is taxes. And no, I am not going to redo the Steve Martin bit about you can be a millionaire and never pay taxes. No, that's not what I'm talking about. But you can decide when to pay taxes and, to a degree, how much in taxes you pay. Use those lean years between salaries and Social Security to manage your income. Maybe even do some Roth conversions at a 12% tax bracket rather than something much higher later in your retirement. And the third topic is akin to taxes. It's investment fees. Now, you are entirely in charge of how much you pay in fees in your retirement. If you're going to use a financial advisor who's charging you 1.5 points a year to manage your money, that's entirely your choice. But it's going to end up to be a lot of money in your retirement going to somebody else's pocket. Or you could decide to create a portfolio of low-cost index funds. Fidelity even has zero-fee funds. It's up to you on how much in fees you want to pay. In his final year, Ben Franklin wrote a French colleague in November of 1789, and he included in a letter a very famous line. You probably know about half of it. Let me read it to you. Our new Constitution is now established. Everything seems to promise it will be durable, but in this world, nothing is certain except death and taxes. He died the following April. There are certainties in this world, including death and taxes, but you get to decide how to deal with them. If you're facing an early retirement, please be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. And in the comments below, let me know what kinds of decisions you like to make now that somebody else decided you're retired. Thanks.